Who am I? I am a wife, a mom, a student, and while doing all of this, I have very little of this. So follow me to learn how to make the most of your time and money while becoming a healthier family. Hey guys, it's Leslie here, and for the people who are new to Ibotta, I have something for you. When you join Ibotta, you get what's called a $10 welcome bonus. In order to get that $10 welcome bonus, you have to get $10 worth of rebates redeemed. So here's a really simple one to help you get to that bonus. Walmart has Perky Jerky. If you go into your Ibotta, select your store, select Walmart, go down, look for the deals, you'll see Perky Jerky. It is $2 at Walmart, and Ibotta has a $2 rebate, so there's no coupons involved. It is just straight up $2 for $2. And if you redeem this 5 times, which you are able to do with this rebate, you will actually hit your $10 requirement to get your $10 welcome bonus. So $10, you get your Perky Jerky for free, and you get an additional $10. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Bye guys.